Good afternoon. Your good name, please?
Shiva Ganga, ma'am.
Okay, can you take your resume?
Yeah, ma'am.
Hi, Shivaganga. How are you doing?
Doing good, ma'am.
Okay. Introduce about yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon. First of all, thank you for giving this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Eturi Shivaganga. I am from Rajampeta, but currently staying in Hyderabad. I had done my Bachelor Technology in the stream of Computer Science and Engineering from Sri Venkateswara Engineering College, Thirupathi. I had done my intermediate at Sri Gayatri Junior College, Thirupathi. I had done my schooling at Sri Chaitanya High School from Rajampeta. I belong to a nuclear family. Coming to my academic projects, in final year I done a major project that name Agriculture Information Management System, which is mainly used for farmers. These are traveling. I love traveling and gardening. That's all about me. Thank you, ma'am.
You said like you like traveling.
Yes, ma'am.
Where do you travel?
Whole Tirupati I travel, ma'am. In Tirupati there are so many places. I visited every temple, ma'am, in Tirupati. I love temples.
Here you said like you have strong knowledge on Java, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Full stack development. You're
Yes, ma'am.
training. Okay, can you tell me what is Java?
Yeah, Java is a high-level object-oriented class-based programming language, application programming, widely used in web applications, mobile applications, enterprise applications, and so on. And it is introduced by James Gosling and his team at Sun Microsystem in the year 1995, and it is a platform independent, ma'am.
Okay, how we can use Java in web applications?
Creating web pages.
Okay.
Like
what are the language we use?
To create web pages, we use HTML, ma'am, hypertext markup language, and to stylish the pages, we use CSS, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Next, what are data types?
Yeah, data types are two types, ma'am. Primitive data types and non-primitive data types. Coming to primitive data types are predefined, means defined in Java. For example, int, short, byte, boolean, char are already predefined in Java. It is a keywords. These all are keywords. And coming to non-primitive data types are not defined in Java. These non-primitive data types created by the programmer and not defined in Java.
What is mean by boolean?
Boolean means true or false, ma'am. Just zeros and one. Zeros and means one means true, zero means false. Like only true and false.
While using statements. Okay.
While using statements or numbers also, ma'am. Zero means I said false and one means true. Only these two only use, ma'am.
Okay. What are identifiers?
Yeah, as the name suggests, identifiers are used to identify. That can be class name, method name, variable name, and label name.
Can you tell me the rules?
We can't follow the rules. We get errors, compile time errors, ma'am. So we can use rules in identifiers. Alphanumeric characters we can use, ma'am. That alphanumeric characters are capital A to Z and small a to Z, 0 to 9 numbers we can use, and dollar, these two only we can use, that is a dollar sign and underscore sign, ma'am. And spaces are not allowed. Digits cannot start with digits, ma'am.
What is typecasting?
Typecasting means converting one data type to another data type is called typecasting. And in typecasting there are two types, implicit and explicit. Compiler is responsible in implicit typecasting, lower data type value to higher data type value. Implicit typecasting can be responsible, ma'am. Here there is no loss of information in implicit typecasting. Coming to explicit typecasting, the programmer is responsible in explicit typecasting. We are assuming values. Typecasting means explicit typecasting can be performed, and here there is a loss of information, ma'am.
Okay. What are the features of?
Yeah, the features of Java are high performance, portable, secure, simple, and platform independent, multi-threaded, and dynamic. Like.
What is mean by dynamic? by translator?
Yeah, converting higher language code to mission language code is called a translator. In translator, there are three: compiler, interpreter, and assembler language code. Compiler means converting mission code to source code in a single step. For example, C, C++, Java, .NET. These are the examples of compiler, and converting source code to mission language code by a single line is called interpreter. Examples are Python, Perl, Ruby, and so on. Assembly language code. It converts assembly language code to mission code, and in assembly language code they contain some mnemonic codes. Mnemonic codes means a combination of 3 letters or 5 letters. For example, add, sub, like etc.
Relocate?
Yes, ma'am. I love to relocate because I love to travel, and I am happy to explore new things. So I love to relocate, ma'am.
Okay, Shubhanga. Your technical skills are good. Just prepare for the second round and come again.
Okay, thank you.